Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away hundreds of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So this video has been much requested and I finally found 5 minutes to go ahead and create it for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get all skins in Call of Duty Mobile. You can get all CODM skins for free using a working redeem code, guys, and this literally takes just a few minutes of your time. I spent hours searching, so yeah, this method is by far the best and it's going to save you a bunch of money. You can not only get free skins, there is also a code to get you COD points as well. But yeah, there are so many different skins and some are super rare, guys. You can even get blueprints for weapons as well. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to go ahead and get a CODM redeem code, and it's going to supply you with all the skins in Call of Duty Mobile. So you get your code, enter it in the redemption center with your user ID, and it is going to supply you with all skins and blueprints. Before I show you guys how to do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. You're going to want to use your mobile phone to get your Call of Duty redeem code. So you need to open up the internet browser. You can do this on iPhone or Android. I'm using an iPhone for this example because I'm an Apple fanboy, but you can do this on whatever device. So go to www.coldcoupons.com. Very important you type it correctly and head on over directly to this website. Now, this is an awesome website. I've actually used these previously, not only for mobile games, but for console games and stuff as well. So what you're going to want to do is just search for CODM in there or the Call of Duty page. Here we go. Now on this page, guys, you're going to want to scroll down and look for the all skins code. And this works not only for COD Mobile, it does actually work for Warzone, Black Ops, Modern Warfare, but I'm focusing mainly on COD Mobile because that's what I used it for. So unlock all operator skins and blueprints in any COD game. So guys, this is a simple COD Mobile redeem code that you can enter in the redemption center, and it is going to unlock all the skins in your account. And it's complete free, working in 2026. So guys, because these are limited codes and considering what they give you or unlock for you, it is pretty desirable. You need to unlock your personal code, guys. As you can see, your CODM redeem code is currently hidden. So click on Get Full Code, and there's going to be a page here that tells you what to do to unlock your free skins code. It says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons, and make sure you follow the instructions for each task. So as you can see, guys, there is a list here, and these are all completely free. Now, I know it looks annoying, but you just have to complete 2 of them. It only takes a few minutes. So these are really easy things like downloading, installing applications, playing mobile games. This one at the top is pretty easy. Start a free trial. So you basically just tap on whatever ones you want to do. And like this one, for example, you just got to run through this instructions here. You can cancel it straight away as well, which is awesome. There are easier ones like installing mobile applications, but the ones at the top tend to be the easiest. So anyway, guys, just complete 2 tasks. I'm going to skip forward. I did this earlier. So yeah, if you complete 2 of them, it will redirect you back to this page, and you will see your CODM redeem code will be revealed. And once you redeem it, that is going to get you all skins and all blueprints in CODM. So that is how to get free skins in Call of Duty Mobile, guys, using a working redeem code. Go to Cold Coupons. If you have any questions or need any assistance, guys, let me know, but it is super easy to get your free skins. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.